Disable last sign-in info during login. Group policy, Registry Edit, Windows 10 and 11. Let's fix it. Solution 1. Using Group Policy Editor first, search for Group Policy in the Start menu. Click on Edit Group Policy from the results. Now, expand Administrative Templates. Then expand Windows Components. Find and double-click on display information about previous logons during user logon. Select Disabled. Click on Apply, then click OK. Solution 2. Using Registry Editor now. Let's use the Registry Editor. Search for Regedit in the Start menu. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if prompted. In the Registry Editor, expand the following folders step by step. Bachhal Local Machine. Then Software. Then Microsoft. Then Windows. Then Current Version. Then Policies. And finally, click on the System folder. On the right-hand side, look for Display Last Logon info. Right-click on it and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion. Now, right-click on the Start button and restart your PC to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.